In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to go ahead and do is first, if you are in Spotify, close out of it fully, just like so. And then from here, go ahead and open up the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on which device you're on, and go ahead and search for Spotify. When you do search for Spotify, you're going to want to make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If it's not, you're not going to see your Wrapped. So update it real quick and then reopen up Spotify and you should see your Wrapped. However, if you still aren't seeing it, what you're going to want to do is back out of Spotify again, and then from here, open up a web browser of your choice and search for spotify.com/wrapped, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you simply just need to go ahead and select open the app, and it's going to pull it up for you. Now, in my case, I actually don't use Spotify, so I don't have a Wrapped, but yours is going to pop up in this option. But yeah, that really is it. Update your app, follow these steps, and you'll be able to see your 2025 Wrapped, as well as future years Wrapped as well. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.